as an agency owner, when you're putting in so much work for your team, day in and day out, you're pouring everything into them, and then you feel like you can't let them progress any further. That's a tough place to be. From the start, we were an agency that was super gritty, and we did well. You know, we were top 5 in Georgia for a very long time, and average per producer would probably sell, you know, when we started, probably 20,000 in premium. I had a big plan of where we were going to go as an agency. You know, fast forward, you know, after COVID, and when rates went up and when underwriting had extremely tight guidelines, I was doing the same thing. I was just trying to encourage my team, follow up, you know, do some of the same things. My team didn't see a path of growth, and it was discouraging to them, and I could see that. But I kept beating my head up against the wall saying, I'm just going to keep encouraging, keep going down this path. And for me, if I was honest with myself, I didn't see a path of growth. Last year, the beginning of the year, I was like, you know what, I need to make a serious change in my agency. Something has to change. I went to Insurance Sales Lab boot camp in June. I signed up for that, and really it was just like an awakening, to be honest with you. It was like a kick in the butt that I needed. It truly revamped me as an agency owner of the fundamental things that I needed. Leveraging, you know, technology and making sure that like there's a clear path for that. So build a sustainable, you know, accountability for your team that can be replicated. Team structure, managing performance, onboarding from start to finish, you know, understanding my book of business at a higher level, intentional and in culture building. All of those things, I was like mind blown, and I came back like completely on fire. Like, what have I been doing as an agency owner? Like, what, like, and it was in a good way, you know? And so I was at the lowest of the low. I hadn't produced in 7 years. My team had always produced, but my team was gone of producers because I was starting from the ground up. It was back to myself. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try to practice what I'm going to preach with Insurance Sales Lab. And I'm going to, as a producer, do start to finish for 3 hours a day, just exactly what a producer does. And so I did that 3 hours a day, and I sold over 35,000 in premium with all the other agency owner stuff that I had going on. And I said, you know what? This is a path that is sustainable, that I can teach, that it can be replicated. So fast forward to now, you know, I have 3 producers, did over 125,000 in premium last month. And this month we're projected, Lord willing, to do 150 in premium. Insurance Sales Lab, you know, has done so much for me and for my life. And I don't just say that flippantly. I'm not a person that ever gets into anything that's fluff or, you know, rah-rah things that really fizzle out. You know, I'm a person that loves the meat of something, that, you know, where I can see, hey, this has a clear vision. I have this agency growth checklist, you know, here in front of me, and I've checked off, you know, slowly all the things that we're doing well, and I don't check them off until we're doing them well. But as an agency owner, it gives freedom in your mind, because you're like, hey, I know that if we do these things well, then we are going to succeed. Insurance Sales Lab, as an owner, paints a picture for you of how to be successful on every single level, meaning that Vlad and y'all and your team open up the hood and say, here's what we do, and then here's how to replicate it. I don't even know if Vlad understands, and the team and y'all, really how much of an impact. I mean, I know he does, but like, agents that are at their wits' end now all of a sudden are at a place where they're thriving. And this is a testimonial that goes on with so many agents. And so I would just say, yeah, I'm forever grateful for that. And yeah, you know, I told Vlad I'll be a walking billboard for ISL because of what Insurance Sales Lab has done for me. So I would encourage every agency owner, you want to have something where you can tell your team, like, here is a realistic path of growth, and then here's how to do it. I don't think there's an agency owner out there that wouldn't subscribe, you know, to that. You know, what I would say is my words are not near as good as just diving fully in to Insurance Sales Lab and just doing it.